So another unboxing, quick unboxing, this time in my car. Quick wristwatch check, wearing the 6R3 mass. And we are unboxing, as you have probably seen from the title, the Willard-X SPB151J. Let us see what's inside. Tum tum tum. Go away, box, go away. Seiko. So we open the box and there's some paper. Dum dum dum, let us see. Nice warranty card. We all know this. 6R35, the movement inside the watch. And the big time has come to reveal. Pum pum pum. Lots of paper wrap, yeah. Ooh, baby. Oh my. You're a little stunner, aren't you? Wow. Wow. Better than the pictures. Very nice. Satisfying bezel action. Let's see if it lines up. Yes, it does. I think it's okay. Maybe it's a little off, I don't know. So, okay, yeah, let us I'll go resize the bracelet and I'll post some more impressions later on. So the Willard-X finally arrived. I just finished resizing its bracelet. The bracelet, as you'd guess, is a pin and collar system, which personally I find very safe. Yes, it's I mean, I don't really find the pin system when resizing the collar system very annoying, because it's very straightforward, but I can understand the people who complain about it because these collars can get lost, and yeah, that sucks. Anyway, this is a very nice watch. I am very, very impressed by it. The nice dome crystal. The bracelet is very high quality, nice clasp, very similar to the 6R3 mass one. The case resembles the case of the new Turtle, and sorry, that's a message notification, but there's something different. I cannot really put my finger on it, but there's something different about it. As you can see, there are real lugs, nice profile, 3-link configuration on the bracelet. All in all, pretty nice. It's a nice Stoplight second hand, which is iconic and synonymous with the original Willard. But they added a little needle at the end. Some people complain about it, of course. Personally, I don't mind. I think this is a home run by Seiko. This watch will sell a lot, and probably will release it in all kinds of dial variations and limited editions, etc., etc. And I'm gonna put it on an Uncle Seiko waffle strap now and see how it wears. Should be pretty nice, pretty nice. So there it is on the Uncle Seiko waffle strap. The lug width is 20 millimeters. very convenient. You can put it on a lot of straps, and yeah, it looks pretty good, I must say. I think it does anyway. I've got some other straps on the way, including a tire thread strap and a chocolate bar strap, which are, I believe, the correct strap that was used originally for these watches, but the waffle was also used on this watch, and it looks good. I'll probably return to the bracelet, but right now I'm really liking it on the waffle. This profile.